have this opportunity to get the recognition of your peers, your friends, your family, your tutors is absolutely essential, and you can just see from the look on their faces what it means to them. It's just a fantastic event.
Well, I'm a bit lost for words, to be honest. It's been a 4-year journey, but it's a nice send-off from CAVC, so it's amazing. I love it.
Well, I'm like shocked. I'm really amazed, and it's like an amazing opportunity for me to win this. It means everything to me, honestly, and it just shows that I can proceed more, and this is going to help me like further on what I want to do in life and stuff.
It's been a pleasure to win this, and just to be able to the experience the college has given me, being able to study and play rugby together, like being able to balance them both.
I won school link for hairdressing, and I'm a little bit shocked. I suffer like ADHD, so I can't keep concentrated for like long enough. So for this, it's like a lot.
Feel surprised, excited, and proud actually.
Ecstatic really, to be honest, to be nominated for such a prestigious award.
The adult and community awards, I'm totally honoured and buzzing at the moment.
I can't put it in words really, if I'm honest with you. When I first come along I was in my wheelchair, and I was supported along by my course tutors and support learning staff, and as time got on I got more ingrained within the public services department. I was offered a part-time contract to start, and as my health got better I was able to do more things. I'm now working full-time hours at the college in public services and tourism departments.
I'd like to thank all of my hairdresser teachers, Lauren Spear.
I've won the apprenticeship award for 2016. I'm really happy. Primarily Lisa Styling and Andrew Whitcomb and Hayley Carpenter, the people at the college who've supported me over the past year, and Andrew Bevan, the facilitator at Deloitte.
We'd like to thank all our lecturers really in the college for giving us all the opportunities, but the biggest one is Joyce
Harvey.
Without her we wouldn't be where we are today. Like, we've left college and gone into jobs straight away, and she's given us the push and the confidence to go and get jobs, as well as like helping us with the qualifications. She's been amazing.
I feel amazed. Yeah, I really feel, I don't know what to say, but I would like to thank all the teachers in ESOL, and I've been taught not only English, so many things about living in the UK and British culture.
All the tutors, to be fair, they've all had a part in my development, and they've all brought something to help me progress, so I have to thank all of them really.
Over the moon, yeah, good. I'd like to thank my coordinator, Colin Lewis, because he's always been a good supporter. So
Just thank Cardiff and Vale College for giving me the opportunity to work.
Well done, Polly. Sorry you couldn't be here tonight. This is going to look amazing on my mantelpiece in my new house. Thank you so much. No, I'm joking. It's all yours. It's here for you when you get back.
I don't know, I didn't expect that. I feel amazing. This is overwhelming, and I didn't expect that, which make it more surprising for me. Amazing, awesome, yeah.
Amazing. It's a lovely experience to come to, and it's a privilege.
She's so good at what she's doing. For me, was just absolutely fantastic. What a super person, and may we wish her all the best of luck.
It's been an amazing evening. Everybody has done so fantastically well. It's just, I'm just speechless. I'm sorry.
Fantastic. I mean, this award's for all the staff at Cardiff Blues, but also the staff here at Cardiff and Vale College that make the partnership work, the community teams, the coaches and the academy staff, and we're delighted to play a part in the development of the students here and the learners that rugby can be a big part of education.
Oh, it's been a pleasure to be here to see the awards and see the recipients, and for the hard work they've put in. It's an absolute pleasure to be here.
That's fantastic. We love working with the college. It's been an amazing year, and really we're looking forward to the next two. This is the start of the partnership really, and we've made some really good progress, but we're really committed to making this a fantastic relationship for every student really.
That's been great. I had a good magician upstairs showing us loads of tricks, and the food was fantastic as well.
Good to see so many young people from Cardiff getting their achievements recognised in a public arena. Fantastic.
It's just a fantastic night in a fantastic venue to celebrate the achievements of these people, all thoroughly deserved.
I felt this evening as though it was the best awards evening we'd had so far, and some of the stories were just surely inspirational. It makes me really excited as an individual. It most certainly inspires me to come back each morning and work even harder to support my community.